Hello and welcome back to the series. In today's tutorial, we design a simple circular cutter using Shaper 3D. This will be an easy-to-follow project that's perfect for beginners and will help you get more comfortable with the tools needed to create your own cutters. First, let's start with a sketch. Click on Sketch here and select this bottom plane. This will put us into the top view. Now go over here and select Circle. Place the circle in the center of your sketch and make it as wide as you want your cutting result to be. So if you make this 20 mm, the circle you will cut out of the clay will be 20 mm. So I will make this 20. To end the function, click Escape. All the cutters I designed have three profiles. The first one will be the cutting edge, which is 0.4 mm. The second is the support, 0.8 mm. And the third one is the handle, 3 mm. So we have to create three offsets of this outline. And I will show you how to do it. Go over here and select Offset Edge. Select this contour and drag it out and enter 0.4 mm. And now select the inner contour again, drag it out and make this 0.8 mm and enter. And the last time select the inner contour again, drag it out and enter 3 mm. So these are the three profiles we will need. This will be our cutting edge, yep. This will be our support, and this will be our handle. The next step is to extrude these three. So finish or exit your sketch. Go over here to the cube and rotate it. You can also use Shift and your mouse to rotate your view. To extrude your profiles, zoom in. Click within these two lines here until you see the darker blue. Now this little arrow will come up and you can drag it out and enter 15 mm. Like this. Do the same again with the second contour here. Drag it out and enter 10 mm. Like this. And the last one will be 3 mm. If you rotate this view, you will see that these are three separate bodies. If you would print them like this, the printer or the slicer software would most likely separate them. So print this circle, and this circle separately, which is not what we want. So go over here to Items. And here you can see all three bodies. Click Ctrl on your keyboard and select them all, and then go over to Union. And make sure Keep Originals is off, and click Done. Now we only have one body. This is perfect for printing. And that's it. You successfully designed a simple circular clay cutter in Shaper 3D. The last step you have to do is to export it for 3D printing. So go over to Share, Export, Export Project, and select STL. So I have it here in the favorites, but otherwise it would be under here. I don't change any of the settings. And export and save it on your computer. And that's it. You successfully designed a simple circular clay cutter in Shaper 3D. This project is a great way to practice the basics of sketching, dimensioning, and extruding, and it's a perfect foundation for creating more complex shapes in the future. In the next episode, we will take this design a step further and make something a bit more complex. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators who want to get into 3D design. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!